Okay, this is the south inlet clay water coming in. This is most of this, I believe, most of this is from the walkout lots. I think that southwest corner drains into one pond. I don't understand why the north discharge is running full blast and this one's hardly running at all. It must be two different ponds, but I'm not sure. 4.5 inches of rain in 24 hours. No ground covering. No ground covering in the southwest corner of that subdivision. We're heading there next. Thanks for watching my video.